How we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. I want to have a family talk. We don't do these a lot, but I want to just have a talk here. I was just working with the team over Telegram, and we're going through your guys' emails today. Thank you guys so much, by the way, for your patience. On Mondays, we sometimes wake up to like over 200 emails, so we blast through those as fast as possible. But what I want to talk about in today's video is, are you overcomplicating this strategy? Yes, we have I'm almost positive we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. We've never lost a crypto trade. We are 102 for 102 wins. I'm trading with $100,000 of my own money over here, keeping this really transparent. We're actually going up. Actually, I was just doing an update. We've actually jumped about $800 here in the last like 10 minutes. So we're doing very well, actually. But I want to address some common questions. Now, I know some of you guys in the comments, and I appreciate you. Please don't take this the wrong way. Some of you guys in the comments are like, Travis, you don't need to talk about this. We already know this. But I just want to address maybe the 5 to 10% of people out there. And those of you guys who already know this is going to be a really good reminder. There are some people way overcomplicating this strategy. There's emails we're getting from my team. I would say probably about, it's probably like 5%. So it's not 95% of you guys, you email in with questions. You're like, hey, I just had a quick question about this. You said this, but I just want to make sure I understand this correctly. Awesome. Guys, we love helping you over email. So don't hear this wrong. But there's like there's like 3 to 5% of emails where some people are really overcomplicating this, and I'm just like, how did you guys get there? So this may be a little bit my fault, maybe not, whatnot. I'm going to show you guys how simple this is to trade this strategy. And I'm going to make this so dummy proof that like literally, I write this down. If you guys are spending more than 15 minutes a day trading this strategy, you might be doing it wrong. Like this is kind of not a severe warning, but like this is really simple, guys. Okay, let me go through here. Here's the thing. Because I got some people asking a few questions. You're like, Travis, why is your account not higher? If you've won 102 trades, which by the way, guys, I have not personally won 102 trades because I haven't been in every single coin for every single entry and exit. I think that's pretty clear because there's just no way I could take all of them because I hold trades in here and then I exit them. In the beginning, like 3 months, I only ended up trading like 3 coins for the first 3 months. And we were keeping track of all 10 coins, and then we added 2 more to make it 12. So I haven't won 102. I've won every single trade that I've taken, which I think I'm close to about, I just printed out my 8949 form, and I took it said 96 trades. So I took 96 trades, which I almost took all of them. It was, close to all of them. But a comment I'm getting is, Travis, why is your account not up more if you've won, let's say, 96 trades in a row? Okay, let me explain this to you guys real quick, because this is something that I understand why you're saying it, but you've been conditioned to think about this completely wrong. I think a lot of people think win rate is just meaning your account's supposed to be exploding. Well, that comes from people who teach about pump coins. And sometimes you guys are looking at Instagram too often. I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to get into a pump coin channel, you need to unsubscribe from this channel. I'm not going to do that. I'm coaching millionaires and people who run millions and billion-dollar hedge funds. I'm coaching them with this strategy right now. We care about consistent gains month after month, year after year, with really good risk management. If we can beat out every other real estate investment and every other investment where money is placed, we are succeeding. My goal is to get us between 30 to 40% a year, compounded for the next 10, 20 years, like consistently trading like this. That is going to be incredible for you guys, okay? So here's one of the reasons why. A lot of people ended up FOMOing in to these higher prices up here. Nobody got in at the top, so I'm not even going to try to predict that. But let's say you guys got in like down here, which I know some people obviously got higher because there's green candles. Let's say you got in down here. You guys should be down around 24, 25% in your account right now. 24 to 25 if you guys put all your money in there, if you guys did not use our strategy. Other people, let's use Bitcoin for an example here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's go over here and let's look at the high where people FOMOed in. Again, we're not going to pull the top. We'll actually be conservative in here. Let's say people got in here even on the dip and they didn't get in at the all-time highs. Okay, you guys should be down around 33 to 34% in your account if you did not use our strategy, you did not dollar cost average, which I know from coaching thousands of traders that only, I would say, about 3 to 4% of people are actually dollar cost averaging. I would say it's closer down to 1 to maybe 1.5% that are using 4 buy limits like we are. So when you guys see an account like this that's only down right now, let's say, almost 2%. Our break even is 101. Okay, 101's break even. We're only down. Let's call this 98. Can we do that? Okay, we're down like 2.1, 2.2%. So instead of being down, over here, a matter of, again, let's be conservative here. Let's not pick at the top, or the exact bottom. Let's say right here, most accounts are down about 33%. If you leveraged, you're down under 60%. And I've had people email in with us. They're like, look, I got to start trading with your strategy because I just lost all my money because I over leveraged and I lost everything. So when you guys see an account that's only down 2%, that is absolutely incredible. And we've traded through this entire bear market here. And we've traded through ADA, which actually just literally suffocated people out because we literally bought trades up here. And look how much this has come down on ADA. I hope you guys are following this video because this is giving you guys perspective. You guys know on ADA right now, some accounts are down around 47%. You guys, like when I call out and I say, if your account is down less than 15%, that is incredible. I'm serious. That is incredible because there are still people holding up here that are down 47% and they didn't dollar cost average. So their entry is literally still up at these areas where our entry is all the way back down here because we were patient and we were trading in and out of the market. That's what you need to know. Now, I know the majority, the silent majority, it always seems like the silent majority is like, look, we get that, Travis. We totally get it. But again, I'm talking about that 5% of people who email in. They're like, why are you not more in the profit? That is why, because we're being patient. And when, you hear this sometimes, guys, in a recession, the wealthy don't feel a recession. It's the middle class, unfortunately, and the poor that feel the recession when that happens. So let's be the wealthy in the sense of trading and use buy limits in here. Okay, let me make this very simple. I want to just address that real quick. Here's how you guys are going to trade this. And literally, if you are spending more than 15 minutes a day, you are over staring at your charts. Guys, I do YouTube videos in the morning. And then once I'm done with those videos, we go over to emails and help you guys. And then I'm literally like working on other things, like planning for the things that are coming. Guys, we have an inner circle acceleration training coming. We're literally, you guys are going to be able to get on Zoom with me and we're going to be able to talk about these markets as a family together. Like that is going to revolutionize what we're doing over here. And we're all going to be together. We're going to see each other's faces. What I have planned for us in 2022 is ridiculous. Like it's going to be so much fun. And that's why we're upping the prices over here for our membership. If you guys know this, that you need to get in now at $49 because we are going to up this to $95 a month. Okay. Let me get to my point here. Here's how you guys trade this. It's so simple. All we are using is 4 buy limits for our entries. The metrics that I go over every single morning, guys, the metrics for Bitcoin, all this is to give us an idea of where the overall market is going to be moving. But to get in and to exit our trades, it's with the Telegram channel, the indicators, and the risk management. Here's all you guys are doing. If you're doing anything more complicated than this, you are messing this strategy up because we're getting like biographies over emails now where people are writing like 7, 8 questions. And I'm like, whoa, hold the phone. Like this is too much. You've overcomplicated things. So let me do a service to you guys. And some of you are going to have light bulb moments go off here and be like, oh, I see how you've never lost a trade and why. And I am over trading. Here's what you guys do. 4 buy limits for every single coin. All you're going to do is take the amount that you guys want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Literally, you're going to put $250 at each buy limit. There are 4 different buy limits. Once you are in a trade, just simply let the buy limits get hit. That's all you guys are doing. So like when I come over here in the mornings and I show this to you guys where I'm under live trades and I go to the live Bitcoin trading chart and some of you guys got in this morning and you had $1,000, you literally just put 250 here, 250, 250, and 250. That's all you did. Your first buy limit might have gotten hit already. I don't know. I haven't actually honestly looked here, but like I'm just using this as an analogy right now. Like some of you guys are going to get your first buy limit hit. Great. Once you guys have your first buy limit hit, you guys know all you're doing is just simply looking for the trend exhaustion to get up in the top red section and then the price for swell money flow to get up as high as well. And then if you're at least 10% in the profit, you take exit. Take 100% exit. Take a 50% exit and put a stop loss and ride your stop loss up. Like literally this is all we are doing and it's just a rinse and repeat motion. It's so simple. Like, I think what's maybe complicating people is the technical analysis I'm doing in the morning where I'm going over this with you guys and I'm showing you all the coins in here. The moment I go to the metrics, you guys need to understand, like, this is what we're looking at to assess the overall market, where the market can be heading. And this is what's going to give us insider information about how to read these markets and where the market's currently at and where we could be going. But with those metrics and with the indicators here, all you're doing is setting 4 buy limits, and you're exiting when you're in the profit when the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high. Now, if you guys are in a trade with me like this, every single trade you see on YouTube, no matter what coin you click on, wherever the break-even entry is, once that gets into the profit, I'm going to call an exit over on Telegram. That's the wins that I'm keeping track of. But if you guys are in a trade right now, let's say you guys got triggered into the Bitcoin trade. Let's use, for example, like our break-even entry is up here. Let's say you guys got triggered into the buy limits today and you put $250 in here. Great. Guys, if this thing goes up and you're in the profit, just wait for the trend exhaustion to get to the top red section up here, as well as look for the well money flow up here. Make sure they're both high. And if you're at least, 10% in the profit, take some money. Like literally just exit 10%, 100%. And then what you're going to do is just take that money that you just compounded, just go back to the Bitcoin chart the next morning or that day, look at the buy limits and just put your money back into Bitcoin and write it back up again. That's all you guys are doing. This is the simplest strategy, and I'm going to set some of you guys free this morning by just showing you this, because it is so simple how we're trading this, and some people are overcomplicating it. And so that's all we're doing, guys. It's 4 buy limits with even amounts of money at each buy limit. And once you're in the profit, just simply look for the trend exhaustion to be high and the well money flow to be high as well. And then exit if you're about 10% in the profit. Our tools are incredible. That's why we have never lost a trade. Our metrics over here are ridiculous. They're helping us predict what's going to happen in the market beyond our indicators. That's why we use them, and they're so accurate with these in here. Looking at well institutional smart money, what they're doing. This is calling drops in the market. So this is going to help us overall assess the market. But guys, it's so simple. 4 buy limits. Once you're in the profit, wait for the trend exhaustion to be high, wait for the well money flow to be high, and then exit. You want to make it even more simple? Okay, let me give you guys a cheat code real quick. If you don't even know this about our indicators, you will now. By the way, our indicators are all going up. These 3 indicators that you see here, they're going up the end of this month, so make sure you get them in the description. Let me show you how to make this even simpler. I think I might already have an alert set up for this, but if not, I'll do this right now. Come over here, get the trend exhaustion on your chart. Click this plus over here with an alert, and then click from Bitcoin, come down here, click trend exhaustion, okay? And just click watch for drop. Once you do that, guys, all you got to do down here is just do this. I'll literally do this with you guys. BTC, watch for drop. You can do open-ended. You can have it sent to your phone. You can have it sent to your email. Guys, do whatever. You can have it play a fun little sound for you. Sure, I'll have it play a sound just because I think that's fun. Awesome. Now that alert's set up. Now, once this white line pushes up into the top red section up here, I'm going to get an alert. So everybody who just got into trades this morning that may have hit their buy limit, who have $250 in that example, you choose the amount that you have, simply set up an alert. Okay, cool, look, we just created an alert. Like, how simple is that? 30 seconds, if that. I was talking, it could have taken 10 seconds. Now, once that alert is set up, if you guys are in the profit when you get that alert and the well money flow is high, this will signal a drop. About 75% of the time, you're going to see a drop. All you guys got to do is just exit. Just exit. Take 5, take 8, take 10% home and exit. And then once you're done exiting, just go back over here. Set up your next buy limit on Bitcoin. Do you guys see how simple this strategy is? Like, hopefully in the next few videos and the next, ones that I do, I'm going to try to start breaking this down and making it more simple. Because I over emails, we're getting like these super long paragraphs. It's okay. Like, we're not upset or anything like that. But like, some people are making this too complicated. And the number one thing, if I can just say this, I'm going to end the video with this. The number one complaint that we get are people who are down in their accounts. And then we ask them this question: did you use all 4 buy limits? Did you actually follow the strategy? And once we drill down to it, they're like, oh, actually I didn't. I didn't use all 4 buy limits. All right, guys, stop complaining if you haven't followed the strategy, okay? I don't mean to be harsh, and maybe that was 10 times stronger than what I should have said. But guys, you can't go and complain to Tesla that your Tesla's not working if you didn't charge it, okay? If you guys are down in your trades right now and you didn't use 4 buy limits, you're gonna mess up the trading strategy. If you want to follow me, guys, you need to use 4 buy limits. There are only 2 trades that I've ever done that I've talked to you guys about on YouTube that I haven't used 4 buy limits. And I've used 3 buy limits. It was Mana, and it was AVAX. I exited Matic, and I said, you know what? I have kind of a lot of money in there, and I want to get into Mana and AVAX because we newly listed the coins just about a month and a half, maybe not even that, about a month ago. We listed these new coins. So I took a little bit of money. I think I had like $3,000 for each of these, so I just used 3 buy limits. They were so low, and that was great, and I fully disclosed that on YouTube here. But guys, the reason why some people are losing so much is that you guys got to you guys got to follow the strategy if you want to follow the strategy, if you guys want to be doing as well as I am over here. Like, I haven't broken this. Like, follow the strategy, guys. So that's just the last thing I wanted to say. Again, guys, this is like a video for maybe the 3 to 5% of people out there. The rest of you guys, 90 to 97% of you, thank you so much for the emails you're writing in. Thanks for the compliments. Great job adding to the testimonials that you guys are doing over here. You guys are doing fantastic. Like, people over here, like, thanks for the fast reply. Already made good money with you guys, and I'm not working with a lot of money. Looking forward to Prosperous 2022. That's awesome. Like, yeah, I love putting posts over here where people are making a bunch of money, but I like coming out here, and we just started posting new stuff like this. Like, every day your indicators give me wow feeling. London Breakout, this is one of our Forex indicators, is so accurate in Forex that every day I want to say thank you guys for doing what you do best. Like, these are people who are not overcomplicating things, and they're just following things. Hey, I started in December 29th. In 1 month, I made over $1,000 after fees and investing, no more than $13,000 due to buy limits. That's awesome. To say my eyes were open is an underestimate. Thank you. And it's just awesome to see what people are doing in here. And like, yeah, we've got people in here doing like $2,000 in 7 days. I got a guy down here, doing $8,000 in 1 day. We've had people do $30,000 a week. This guy did $8,000 in a single day. Like that, those are all cool. But like, sometimes to get in here and actually like read people's stories of what they're able to do is just so much fun. And you guys will be able to see that when people don't overcomplicate things, $20,000 this guy made with our 2 indicators, trend exhaustion and price versus money flow. When you don't overcomplicate it, $60,000. We've had multiple people do $60,000. $2,300 in a single day with 2 indicators, trend exhaustion and price versus money flow. So come in here and read this. These are from people who simplified it and they did not try to overcomplicate things and they just stuck to the strategy. Okay, guys? Last thing, if you want to join us, I'll give you guys an option to do this right now. Seriously, we are going to be upping our membership price. We're literally going to pretty much double the price here. We're going up from $49 a month to $95 a month. That's going to be February 25th, 2022. So literally like next month, before the next month is over, it's going to be Friday. The last Friday of February, probably the easiest way to look at that. We are going to be upping the price. We have a lot of things planned. We need more money to pay for it. That means you guys are going to be doing better. I'm going to come out with an inner circle acceleration group for you guys for crypto that you guys are absolutely going to love. We're going to be on, plan right now is to be on Zoom with you guys very frequently and to literally talk together as a family and go through the ups and go to the downs together. We don't have that. I don't know another channel out there that's doing that. It's going to be so amazing and so much fun, but we need infrastructure for that. So that's why we're upping prices. The indicators as well, guys. Again, like I said, once you're in profit, you're just looking for the trend exhaustion to get up to the top here in the well money flow. The indicators you guys need: trend dashboard, price versus money flow, and trend exhaustion. That's all you guys need. All you guys need is these 3 right here. That's it. Once you guys have these, you can copy all the trades and you guys can get the exits. The bundle pack is the best deal because we're upping the price of all 3 of these on January 28th, far before February 28th. We're 25th. We're upping it on January 28th. It's the last Friday of January. These 3 indicators are going up. We're actually upping the trend dashboard by quite a bit, actually. So what you guys want to do is you want to get the bundle pack, and this will save you guys the most money, and it will give you all the indicators you need. You get 9 total instead of just 3, and you're basically paying the exact same price. So definitely get the bundle pack here, guys. We humbly hold the highest win rate on YouTube. But guys, I'm not looking to try to be the highest account growth on YouTube. You need to understand that. I am not. Guys, look, if you're trying to follow a channel that just wants to get into pump coins and throw a bunch of money in when you're low and not use good risk management, please unsubscribe. Seriously, cancel your membership with us and unsubscribe. I don't care. I don't mind saying that. I don't want to help people that are trying to look for pump coins. It's unsustainable, and you guys will come back 3 weeks later and be like, okay, I realize that I actually need to use good risk management. I'm trying to just be really kind about this, but have a family talk. You guys want to trade really well and make money in a bull market, but not get killed in a bear market? This is the strategy you guys need to be trading, and I'm proving this to you guys with my own $100,000 in here, that this is really the best way to be trading. I've asked God for wisdom like every morning. I've got training from people who work at banks, from trading desks. I've went through so much coaching and training before this to understand what I know now, where I'm confident of throwing $100,000 in the market and making it available to all of you guys to watch me live on YouTube, make mistakes and do all this. But we've never lost a trade. It only takes, it is a curse to, there are curses and there's blessings in trading. And let me literally, I'm going to wrap it up right here because I know this video is getting way too long. If you have ever gotten into a trade where you've made a bunch of money real fast, it can absolutely be a curse to you guys. I'm not even just going to shoot you straight. It's going to get emotionally stimulated, and you're going to think you want to just do that over and over again because of one thing. You expect it to happen again. If I did it one time, it can happen again. That is going to ruin you as a trader. It's going to ruin you as a trader. Some of you guys, I'm speaking straight to your hearts right now, and you're like, okay, yeah, you're right. I got in a Dogecoin. I made 50 grand. I know a friend of mine made $85,000. Great. Awesome. You know, I know a trader who actually made $20 million trading Bitcoin. I know a trader, literally, like, I won't go any further than that, but like, I won't release his name or anything like that. He made $20 million, $20 million on Bitcoin. Guess what, guys? That moment that he felt that impulse in his system, those people can start becoming addicts, and they can start gambling their money away, and they can start ruining their families because they think they want to get into pump coins and they put money in the market. Your families are going to be kept safe with your money that trades with us. Too many families right now are getting like super frustrated. You know, the father or the mother or the providers trading in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and they're losing a bunch of money. You guys trade over here. I'm going to show you guys how to trade with wisdom. And when we go up, we're going to make money. We may not make a ton of money. Like, you know, when we go up, we're not going to be leveraging where some people are making thousands of percentages. But guess what? We're not going to be losing our accounts when the market goes down. What's better, to go into famine where you still have some bread on the table to feed your family? Or is it better to go into a famine where you have to sell your house? Like, come on, guys. Is this not hitting home for you right now? You need to have good risk management. And I'm teaching this to you guys. And if you follow this strategy, and you keep it simple, you guys will be successful. I guarantee you will be successful in 2022. I'm going to prove it to you because I'm going to trade alongside of you guys. Here is a look at all of, we got this question over email. They're like, Travis, we want to see your orders. There you go, guys. Here's all my fulfilled orders. You guys see that sell on ADA? Watch the video this morning. I told you guys I was exiting 50% if you guys were in at the lower levels because I put more money in with my $50,000. Here's all the orders I've taken, guys. Everything is transparent. Everything. You guys want to see my open orders? Here's all my open orders right now. We haven't hit all of our, look, you guys know we've hit 2 Ethereum buy limits, right? Let's take a look at Ethereum. I'm in the exact same trade with you. Why are there 2 buy limits left? Because we've already hit our first 2 buy limits on Ethereum, guys. Everything is kept transparent over here. Even my withdrawals that I show you guys in my portfolio, like all the withdrawals I've done. Coinbase is a secure exchange, guys. I've withdrawn, you know, over $10,000, probably close to like $20,000 I've withdrawn from here taking profits. Guys, it's a safe exchange, okay? Hopefully this video was just a really good family talk, and it's hit your guys', you know, maybe heartstrings, if it's not sounding too weird to some of you guys, of like really understanding why I do what I do. And I have a passion to help you guys not risk your money. When people lose money, it affects the entire family. Not anymore. Not anymore, guys. I'm going to teach you guys how to be safe in crypto and how to make some good money in a bull market and keep your money in a bear market as well. All right, guys. God bless you so much. Make sure you guys do get into the membership over here. We are going to be raising the price. February 25th is a hard date, so it's going to go up to $95. Make sure you get in here. You guys get access to all the metrics, all the live trades, and then make sure you guys do get over here into the Telegram channel. Click this, and you guys will get a hot link over here. And then last but not least, do make sure you guys get the indicators because they are going to be going up January 28th. The price flow, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, those are all going up. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Thanks so much for giving me this time of day to express all that, and I'll get coming out with more videos this week. God bless you guys, and we'll see you later. Oh, sorry, one more thing. My apologies. But the team was like, please say this. So in the comments, guys, YouTube as a general community, like the platform YouTube, not just us, but like the platform YouTube is going through an incredible amount of attacks on like spam. Spam is getting absolutely out of control with YouTube. It's something I believe YouTube's working on. But it is insane. All YouTube channels are experiencing this. So if you guys see spam in the comments saying, like, if there's a channel that says like Trade Confident in Telegram or something like that, guys, we never post a Telegram in the comments. We never ask you guys for money in the comments. The only thing I post in the comments for any links is the 2 pinned comments on the top of the page. It's from Trade Confident. Our channel, if we reply to you, it will say Trade Confident and it'll have a gray background to it. That's how you know it's us. We are literally going after these accounts on YouTube. There's like 6 Telegram channels claiming to be Trade Confident because they see our success over here. Guys, we're literally reporting those to Telegram, literally saying you better cease and desist right now. Like, it's absolutely unfair what you're trying to do. They're trying to literally steal money from you guys. Like, these are thieves out there that are trying to do this. It's absolutely ridiculous. And so my point being here is, guys, in the comment section, my team was literally talking to me. So they're like, Travis, this spam on YouTube in general is getting out of control. Should we shut down comments? And I'm like, look, no, we can't do that. There's a handful of you guys, probably a lot more than a handful, that want to use the comment section to interact with each other. And I want to keep it on for you guys. We're not going to take comments away, by the way. We're going to keep them open. But give us some grace here as we work on this. If you guys see a spam comment with like a Telegram thing, go ahead. If you want to just jump on in there to be like part of the awesome family, be like, guys, don't follow this guy. This is not Travis. This is not Trade Confident. Let me see if I can actually pull this up here. Let me get this out of here. Our Telegram, our channel over here, if you guys look at this, let me go to the account section. I might have to blur some of this out because I don't want to get it weird. But it's Trade Confident. So in the description, if you guys see a response from Trade Confident and that's it, just Trade Confident, that's us. And it will have a gray background behind it. If it's not that, guys, it's not us. Feel free to reply to that and be like, this is spam. Nobody follow this. If you guys can do that if you want. Again, we're just having a family talk right now, and I know this video is far too long, but anyways, guys, I'll end that right there. God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Don't overcomplicate things. Use the strategy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.